Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm gonna let you know how you can fix Stremio add-ons not working. So in order to fix this, you can just follow this simple step. First of all, the major issue might be your internet connection. If you're not connected to a stable internet connection, then it might occur some sort of issue like this. So you could go and check your internet service, and you can also try restarting your internet. With that, you should be able to fix the issue. If that's not the case, then you can also try clearing your cache as well as data. So you could go to the website and then clear your cache as well as data. So here you should be able to locate storage and clear all that. Once you've done that, re-log in into your account, and that should be able to fix the issue. If that's not the case, then you can try updating your application as well. Try uninstalling it or removing it, and once again reinstall it, and that should be able to fix the issue. So these were some of the ways to fix the Stremio add-ons not working issue. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.